back to my channel, and now you are watching a 3-star hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room categories and facilities also. A set of figures is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival.